Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious, spicy and crispy chili beef. So without further hesitation, let's get started. So here I have my beef. I have a piece of steak here and I'm going to go ahead and cut these into thin strips. Of course, you want to use any kind of beef you have at home, but you must ensure that you are able to cut it into thin strips. The thinner the beef is, the faster it cooks without overcooking, and you will achieve that nice crispy texture without you overcooking it. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this to my bowl. And I'm going to season lightly with some seasoning. So for my seasoning, I have ginger powder, salt, complete seasoning, chili powder, and black pepper. And to this, I'm going to go in with some soy sauce. Of course, you could use any soy sauce of choice. You don't have to use the one I'm using. And to this, I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm just going to give this a mix and allow this to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on my veggies. So here I'm cutting up my bell peppers. I'll be using some red bell pepper, some green bell pepper, and I think some yellow. Of course, you could use any bell pepper of choice, and if you want, you could add some carrots to this. You could customize it the way you like it. And I'm going to add some onions to this. And of course, you could cut your veggies however you like. I just like mine to be on the same shape length as my beef strips. So here I have some scallion / green onion, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut these into strips as well. Feel free to cut them however you like. Now that my veggies are done, I'm going to move on to my sauce. So in a bowl, I'm going to add some chili sauce. I'm going to add some sweet soy sauce. I'm going to add some dark soy sauce, some sesame oil, and some ketchup. Feel free to customize this however you like. So I'm just going to go ahead, give this a mix, set this aside, and my sauce is ready. And of course, you could use whatever sauce you have at home. You don't have to use the same brand I'm using. Use whatever sauce that you have to make this, and that's it. And you add your desired amount to your liking. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some cornstarch to my batter. Of course, you could bread these one by one, but I find this a bit easier, so I'm just going to go ahead and coat the strips into the cornstarch mixer. Then I'm going to separate them so they're easier to fry. I'm going to go ahead, separate these, and then I'm going to go ahead and fry these. And because these are so thin, they will fry up real quick. So I'm going to fry these off for about 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want to cook these for long because we don't want to overcook it, because it's so thin it cooks up real fast. So these are going to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that these are nice and brown up, I'm going to remove these from the oil, and I'm going to add the rest and continue on until I'm finished frying off all of them. Now in my wok, I'm going to go in with some of the oil that I had fried my steak in. And to this, I'm going to go ahead and add some chili flakes. I like it spicy, so I'll do some chili flakes. Of course, you could add as much as or as little as you like for your heat. I'm going to go in with some minced garlic. And I'm going to saute this for a quick 30 seconds. Then in with my veggies, and I'm going to saute these for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce, and I'm going to stir fry this just to coat the veggies, and then I'm going to go ahead, add my beef strip, toss them thoroughly, allow them to coat in all that nice sauce, and that's it. It's basically done. And let me tell you guys, this was so good. Comment down below if you would try this recipe, and if you try this recipe, you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen to let me see your creation. Now it's done. I'm going to remove from the heat, and I show you how I plate this up in a minute. So you could just serve it just like this. I plate it up on the platter. I garnish with some fresh green onion / scallion. Of course, this could be a party favorite, and it was that good. I also went ahead and served this up with some white rice. Of course, you could go ahead and serve yours up with some fried rice, whatever other side of your choosing. A written recipe will be down below, so you could go ahead and check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day, and bye-bye.